everybody. Today it's like 20 degrees out, snowing. It's too cold to work in the driveway, so I thought I'd make a fun little video, and this is going to be the 4 stages of rolling coal. So my truck's kind of souped up, you know, when I want it to. Sometimes even when I don't, it can smoke pretty good. But I've noticed when I drive, there's basically one of 4 stages that I do when I drive this truck. Stage number 1, which is the behaving yourself stage. This is a stage for when you look behind you and there's a cop behind you, or your mom's behind you, and you're just really going to be careful and make sure your truck doesn't smoke at all. So that would look a little something like this. Just taking it real easy, making sure the turbo spools up and we don't have any smoke. We're not balking the motor too much. Just really behaving. Now it's time for stage number 2. Stage number 2 is just normal driving. You're not really paying attention to how you're driving. You're just trying to get somewhere. You know, you might smoke a little bit, but it's not a big deal. So that brings us to stage 3. Stage 3 is for when you're in a hurry to get somewhere, or it's just a nice day and you're having fun on some back roads, listening to your turbo spool. That looks a little something like this. Stage 4. Now stage 4 is when you're driving along. Here comes that 16-year-old kid with that $80,000 truck that mommy and daddy just bought him. And he's got a little tuner on it. And he's rolling around making black smoke, thinking he's got the hottest truck on the streets. But you know better, so you figure you show him how it's really done. That looks a little something like this. Truck smokes a lot. I don't usually drive it like that, but it is kind of impressive. Alright guys, so that's just a quick little video I made. I thought we'd have some fun, so I hope you all liked it. If you like my video, subscribe. I have plenty more videos coming. Catch you all next time.